Good wishes, students. Today we are going to learn about kinetic energy and its expression K equal to of mv square. What do you mean by kinetic energy? The energy possessed by a body due to its state of motion is called the kinetic energy. It is denoted by a symbol capital K. Examples: a car in motion, the bullet fired from the gun, a rolling ball, an apple falling from a height, etc. have the kinetic energy. Then we are going to derive an equation for kinetic energy. The kinetic energy possessed by a moving body is equal to the amount of work which the moving body can do before coming to rest. We can calculate it by the amount of work done by an opposing force to stop the body. Let us consider an object with a mass m and which is moving with a velocity of v, and it is brought to rest by applying a constant force F. Let A be the uniform retardation, that is negative acceleration is known as retardation. In other words, a moving object comes to rest. Then S is the distance before coming to rest. Now we have to write the force according to Newton's second law. F equal to m into A, mass into acceleration. Here in the place of A we have to take retardation, so F equal to mass into retardation. So the kinetic energy K equal to retarding force into displacement S. Retarding force F into retarding force F into S, displacement. So K equal to force into displacement. Now we have to calculate the displacement. We know the equations of motion: V equal to U plus AT, S equal to UT plus half AT square, V square equal to U square plus 2AS. If we are comparing these three equations, these two equations having time parameter, but this equation there is no time parameter. According to our concept, we have to calculate the displacement. So known values V, U and A, using these three values we have to find this S. So let us take initial velocity U equal to V, final velocity V equal to 0 because the object comes to rest. Then acceleration equal to retardation, that is minus A, negative acceleration. So substitute these values in equations of motion. V square equal to U square plus 2AS. So in the place of V we have to substitute 0. In the place of U we have to substitute this V, A minus A. So then 0 equal to V square, then minus 2AS equal to V square equal to 2AS. That is, rearrange the equation. S equal to V square by 2A. Yes. Then S equal to V square by 2A. So kinetic energy equal to force into displacement. That is retarding force into displacement S. So we have to substitute this value F equal to ma into S equal to V square by 2A. So A get cancelled, then K equal to half mv square. So this is the required expression for kinetic energy. So the kinetic energy K equal to half mv square. So we have to conclude the kinetic energy of a body depends on square of its velocity of motion. That is, on doubling the velocity of motion of the body, the kinetic energy becomes 4 times. Otherwise, we can say a faster moving body has more kinetic energy than a slowly moving body of same mass. Okay.